Kawasaki's rideable robotic goat is the electric car for wandering cowpokes.
Huh?
My goodness.
That looks fun.
Gracious. Well, why not? Because you got the spot, which can walk around and do certain activities, but you can't ride it. You can ride this one.
Yeah, and in fact, it actually kind of waddles around.
Its steps are a little small, no?
Yeah, it's not a striding animal.
I wonder if it has different varieties.
There's modes.
So it has a longer stride as well?
No.
Okay.
So it can actually use the vehicle, the wheels that's on the hinge of their leg, and it parks down for the rider to actually get up. So it lowers down.
Cool.
And the wheels adjust the height, and it can move around as well.
That's amazing. It's
and there's music to go with it, but it's just really ridiculous.
I love it. This is some sort of a trade show?
Yes.
I don't know what trade show it is. Electronics.
Convention.
Yeah, electronics convention. Presumably in Japan, I'm guessing.
Yes.
And it kind of drives around like a car when it's not in its trotting mode. That's like slightly less impressive. I mean, I don't mind that it can do it, certainly to get the rider on, but I think the trotting is more impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like a harder calculation, but it also at the same time doesn't seem quite as fluid or nimble as Spot is. I don't know if it's lacking as many joints.
Mm-hmm.
But who cares? Just who doesn't want to ride a robotic? What is it? Is it supposed to be a goat or like an antelope? Look at the shape of it.
Yeah, I thought it was like a deer.
A deer,
but it has horns.
It's not a horse. It's like an antelope.
Yes,
which is interesting because that's not really what you'd ride, and the horns get in the way of what you can see, like your sight lines. I don't know if that matters or not. I don't know if this is like a proof of concept or if this is an actual. Are we close to a mode of transportation here? I mean, it's way too slow. It's too slow. Well,
yeah. I wonder if there's like a faster speed.
Can you imagine we go back to like robotic horseback? On the roads? Imagine galloping down there on your way to work.
Wait, go back to robotic horseback?
Well, I mean horseback, but the robotic version.
Oh, right.
Like in the future when it's robotic.
Maybe. In some weird steampunk world?
In a weird steampunk world with like close proximity to one another. If you bump into each other with this, it's not a big deal. But I guess it has to be at some point. It just has to move faster.
Yeah.
We're getting nowhere. I mean, she walks faster than this.
I appreciate the effort. It looks like something.
It's also got those massive side-mounted counterweights, which are going to be tough to maneuver.
I'm guessing there's like a immediate stop button. That's a stop button.
The thing is, she's bouncing quite a bit too. Like I'm getting an upset stomach looking at like what if I didn't. What if I had a big breakfast and now I'm getting jumbled about over there?
Jostled around.
I'm getting jostled. So,
well, yeah,
it's cool anyway. Yeah, no, I'm down for it. If I had one in here, I'd ride it just for the novelty.
Yeah, you know,
people be like, "Lou, come down here." I'd be like, "On my way." They're like, "Are you coming today or what?"
Yeah,
like,
I'll have to shoot a video.